Hello friends, in this video we are going to solve some questions of theory of computation which is also useful for GATE exam. Let's see them. This is our question number 4th. Question number 4th is that to prove set A is equals to L of G. It is enough to prove that an arbitrary member of A can be generated by the grammar G. It is enough to prove that an arbitrary string generated by G belongs to set A. Third C option we have both the above comments A and B are to be proved, and D either of the above comment A or B is to be proved. Let's see. To prove that set A is equal to language generated by grammar G, that is A is equals to L of G, we need to establish a bidirectional relationship. Let's examine each option. A. It is enough to prove that an arbitrary member of A can be generated by the grammar G. This statement implies that if we can demonstrate that any string in set A can be generated by the grammar G, then it satisfies to establish A is equals to L of G. Next option we have, it is enough to prove that an arbitrary string generated by G belongs to set A. This statement suggests that if every string generated by grammar G is a member of set A, then it is sufficient to prove A is equals to L of G. Our third option, both the above comments A and B are to be proved. This option asserts that we need to demonstrate both directions, that any string in set A can be generated by G and that any string generated by G belongs to set A. And fourth option we have either of the above comments A or B is to be proved. So this option implies that proving either statement A or statement B is sufficient to establish A is equals to L of G. To determine the correct option, we need to recognize that to prove equality between two sets, we must establish that every element of one set is also an element of the other set and vice versa. Thus, both directions need to be proved, which corresponds to option C. Means both the above comments A and B are to be proved. Proving statement A ensures that every member of set A can be generated by grammar G. So proving statement B ensures that every string generated by grammar G belongs to set A. By proving both A and B, we establish the bidirectional relationship necessary to prove the equality A is equals to L of G. Therefore, the correct option is C because both the above comments A and B are to be proved.